Welcome back to the shop. It's a special project night tonight. A project that kind of tugs at my heartstrings. We'll be working on the Christmas book. Now I talked about this earlier in the week in the vlog and said that we were going to work on this book and put it back together. It's got a little bit of damage, not from abuse, just from love and use. And we're going to see if we can't fix that up today. So let's take a good look at what the problem is. Alrighty, we got it good there, Ray? Can you see? Alright, the binding here needs to be re-glued. And we've actually got a section of the book that has come out. So what we're going to do, can you see that right there? Alrighty. So what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can't rebind this book. Now I'm not a bookbinder, but again, this thing tugs at my heartstrings because I've been reading this book now for what? Over 20 years, Ram? So every Christmas Eve. And I want to get this thing back together and make sure it sticks around for at least another 20 years. So that way when Butterbean and then Butterbean's either little brother or little sister gets older, they'll remember Pawpaw reading from this book just like you kids remember Daddy reading from it. So y'all hang with us. We're going to get the video camera set up so y'all can get a good view of this, and we're going to get started on this project. Alrighty, to complete this project we're going to just need a couple of simple items. We're going to use some Elmer's contact cement. We're going to use some toothpicks to help spread the glue, and we're going to use a popsicle stick. And of course, we're going to need a paper towel to keep the mess down. So let's go ahead and get started with this and see if we can't get this done without ruining Mama's new tabletop here. I don't think you'd like that a whole lot, would you?
No, I would not.
Alright, so let's get started. First of all, what I want to do is I'm going to put a little bit of contact cement on the book, I guess pages, would you call that?
It's a book page edge,
the book page edge, okay. So just going to put a little bit, can you see that pretty good on the?
Yeah,
okay.
Well you're up too high.
Alright, so
there we go.
How about
yeah,
that?
there you go.
So what we're going to do is just put just a little bit of contact cement. Now this contact cement is probably a little outside its prime, but I think it'll be okay.
For what we're doing.
For what we're doing. I don't think I'd want to put my countertops down with it, but I think for this it'll be fine. The key with contact cement is you kind of got to let it dry before you actually use it. You've used contact cement before, haven't you, Ray?
Yes, I have.
Alrighty, so now where the toothpick and the other stuff comes in, the popsicle stick, is putting it down the center of this book right here. And you got to have both surfaces with the contact cement on it. Because if you don't, what happens, Ray?
One dries out and it doesn't stick?
Yeah, it won't stick if you only do one side. You got to have two sides, which is kind of why you kind of have to let it dry. We're going to try to get a little bit without getting too much.
Super glue is kind of the same way, isn't it?
Now super glue, you can actually just go ahead and use it. Now what changes super glue is if you use an activator on it to get it to start, to set up. And that activator will take super glue and take it for something that takes a couple seconds to a minute to kind of start setting up to instantaneous. And if you use one of those activators with super glue, what'll happen is if you don't have your pieces lined up when you start, it's too late. When you put it together, it is absolutely put together. Got a little bit more contact cement than what I want. So what I'm going to do is just take a little bit on my toothpick here, and then we're going to put it down in here. There we go. I think I kind of like that better. What do you think, Red?
Yeah, that looks like it's going in there better in the crack.
And you don't have to have every square inch of this covered. We just want to get the majority of this binder. Binder or binding? What do you think's the right term, Ray?
Binding.
Binding? Binding sounds better to me too.
Because binding.
Binder's like if you're buying something, you put it in there, a legal document is a binder.
That's binding because when they bind books, they bind them.
Yeah.
So they're not bind. Yeah.
I agree.
Technical terms here.
Yeah. One of my children who are in college. Tell me what the correct term is. It's been too long ago since I was in college. That was a cram it, test it, forget it thing. Alright, so I think we're pretty well good on this. What do you think, Red? That look like enough in there?
Looks like plenty.
Alright, so we're going to let this dry. How long do you think we're going to let it dry for, Red? About 5?
Yeah, that sounds good. 5 minutes? You could actually probably wave the paper or blow on it and it would get sticky.
All right, I'm going to set
Stickier.
these where they're on your table but leaning over the edge of it. So
That
let's give this a couple of minutes to dry, and then we're going to come back and we're going to put this page in. All righty. Y'all hang on. We'll be back in just a few. Time for a coffee break. All righty, we're back after about what? About 10-minute break actually, over.
No, it wasn't no 10-minute break.
It's close to
About
long enough.
6.
Okay, 6, maybe 7. All righty. One of the things important to point out that this right here is actually acid-free. And anytime you're working with paper, particularly books, you want to make sure you have acid-free whatever it is you're working with. Okay, so now comes the tricky part, which is lining this up. And this is probably where we ought to have Mama in, because this is kind of her field of expertise. But we're going to try to get this in here right the first time. And there we go. All right. So we've got that in, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and close up the book. So that will go ahead and adhere, and then I want to make sure it looks like it's good and even. And I think for a non-bookbinder person, that's actually coming out pretty good. What do you think, Ray?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit raised maybe in there.
Yeah, but it'll be fine.
Yeah, I think that's good. I think we're going to go with that right there. So let's see how that works. Now, let's move on to the bigger part here, this binding here. This we're just going to use the brush for. Nothing simple or fancy, just all real simple, easy peasy. Let's get some glue out here, and then I think we probably need to get some more
Rubber cement?
rubber cement. I think our contact glue here. And I think we're probably about down to our last little bit. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this to smear. Oh yeah, that's doing good, isn't it, Red?
You can move your bottle because they can't see.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
And that's why we have a director.
I am a director. Wow.
You're moving up. You went from set decorator to set director to now you're the director of the whole thing.
Wait a minute now. I use the camera too.
So man, you're kind of in charge of everything.
What do they call the cameraman too?
And I'm sure there's probably a different name, videographer maybe. I don't know.
That might be it.
Guys, if any of y'all know what the correct term is, put it in the comments down below so we know what Mama's new job is. She's doing a super job on whatever it is. I think we'll keep her around.
Yay!
Alrighty, and this will be ready for next year. I'll put this back up in the box where it always goes, and then next year we'll be ready. We'll be ready for me to read the story.
Don't forget to put some on that little edge on the other side too.
Which edge is that now?
That little piece of paper edge.
This right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't help it. That is just the gooeyest stuff.
Yeah, this is probably, of all the contact cement I've used in my entire life, this is probably as close to no good, but I'm still using as I've ever used, I'll be honest with you. But I think it's going to do the job. I should hope so. If not, then look for this video to be repeated next year, because after I'm done with this, I'm going to put this back up in the little box upstairs here in the shop so we can find it
That's way too much now.
in about another, what do we got, 10 months now? Yeah,
10 months, yeah.
Yeah, 10 months.
Yeah.
And Christmas will be rolling back around, y'all. Matter of fact, probably only about 6 months and stuff will be put out at Walmart.
Mm-hmm. Starts in like September, doesn't it?
August usually,
August,
Sam's,
yeah.
when I go to Sam's, it's usually around August I want to say that
September.
they have everything out.
Start putting out trees and Halloween. And
Yeah. Gets earlier every year. Alrighty. The big thing is just to make sure you get a good even coat as best you can. And this stuff, I'm not going to lie, is a little bit gummy to be working with, but I really wanted to get this done. And the last time I looked at this contact cement, it was really actually still in pretty good shape. And that's been
6 months ago.
probably about 3 months ago when I first looked at this book and knew it needed to be done and didn't want to do it right there before Christmas. Alrighty, so here we go. We're going to set the old Google reminder for about 5 more minutes and let this kind of set up and then put this back together. Alrighty, so y'all hang on. Come back and watch us finish up on this project right here. And remember, always get the acid free if you're going to be doing paper. Alrighty guys, let's see where we're at here. What we want this to be is almost dry to the touch, and that's where we are right now with this. So let's see how this goes. What we're going to do is slowly push this back together. Now the idea with contact cement, and this is, I keep calling it contact cement. I call it contact cement. Some people call it rubber cement, and it's truly rubber cement. Alright, so we're going to just kind of lightly push that back in and then lock it in, and then we should be good with this. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to just let it sit. I'm going to put a board over here and put a couple of clamps on this, and y'all won't need to see that, but I'll put a board down through here. We'll clamp this up and have it held tight, and I'll leave it sit that way overnight, and it should hold pretty good. What do you think, Loretta?
Yeah, it should.
Alrighty.
I don't even know if you'd need clamps.
Alrighty. So let me grab a couple of clamps and get that started, and then we'll end this video and we'll talk to you about this project here in just a second. But remember, all you need is a couple of toothpicks, popsicle stick, and some acid-free contact cement or rubber cement. Alrighty guys, let's get this done. Alrighty guys, that finishes up this project for this evening. That was a quick project, but very satisfying, I think. Don't you think, Red? This book means so much to us and the family. We've had it around for so long. To watch it kind of degrade like it was and kind of start falling apart really kind of tugged at my heartstrings. I really feel good about this, very excited about this project. I'm looking forward to seeing how it turns out, and next year us being able to read the book again with the new grandbaby and of course with the Butterbean. So what we'll do is we've got it clamped up, and we're going to let it sit overnight. We put 3 clamps on it, a couple of boards here to even out the pressure, and we'll leave this sit overnight. Tomorrow we'll take the clamps off, put her back in the box, and let her sit till next year. Again, we appreciate y'all kind of hanging out with us this evening. I think that's all we got, right?
Yeah, that's all we got for tonight.
Alrighty, well thank you for watching the video, and remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Welcome back to the shop. It's a special project night tonight. Uh-oh. Welcome back to the shop. Tonight's a special project we're doing tonight. That's right, I talked to you earlier in the week about the video. Wasn't expecting anybody to come in. Okay, you ready? Alrighty guys, that's Alright. Let's start over.